Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify service area with Blue Cross Blue Shield, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your service area with Blue Cross Blue Shield, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Blue Cross Blue Shield website. Look for the Find a Doctor or Member Services link on the homepage. Click on that link to access the service area verification tools. You may need to enter your state or zip code in the provided search fields. This information helps to determine which plans and services are available in your area. After entering the required details, submit the information to proceed. You should see a list of available plans in your service area. Review the options carefully to identify which ones suit your needs. If you have a specific provider in mind, use the search tool to check if they are in-network. For more detailed information, consider logging into your Blue Cross Blue Shield account. If you do not have an account, you may need to create one by providing some personal information. Once logged in, you can view more comprehensive details about your coverage. If you encounter any issues, look for a Contact Us or Help section on the website. You can reach out to customer service for direct assistance. Always remember to double-check details regularly as service areas may change. This will ensure that you remain informed about your coverage options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.